Hey everyone, how's it going? If you've been following me here for a minute, you would know occasionally I would run out of products and would use like substitute things or makeshift products. And I ran out of face wash. I was using the I think it was Clean and Clear, I don't remember. Or something, it was Olay or something, but I ran out and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the Clean and Clear, which would be these. I have been using these on and off for a few months. There's the morning burst and there is the night relaxing facial cleanser. Well, this is morning burst facial cleanser and this one is night relaxing facial cleanser. But I ran out. I think I had Olay before I got back these. I ran out and I forgot to buy face wash. And if I wasn't wearing makeup, it wouldn't have been a big deal whether or not I wash my face with an actual cleanser. But I had makeup on, and with my skin, if I don't wash my makeup off, I'll get like terrible breakouts. So, not terrible, I'll get a breakout. It's not terrible. Let me just reiterate what I just said. So, I didn't have any cleanser at the time, and that night I just needed to get my makeup off. So, I had shampoo. This is the BioSilk shampoo, and if you have watched the last video that I uploaded, I mentioned that I'm now in my silk press phase. That's what I'm doing right now. So right now this is a silk press. I did this myself. I am natural, but I silk pressed my hair. And this is a shampoo that I've been using the past couple of months. So I was like, let me use this BioSilk shampoo, see if it would work. So I used it that night. I woke up the next day, I was fine, my face was still clear, and I was like, okay, like when you neglect to buy something that you ran out of if you find a substitute. So because this was a substitute, I washed my face with this for like 3 weeks, and the results were not bad at all. My face was incredibly smooth. The only difference is that, like, to test whether my pores are out there or not, I would put the cleanser or whatever soap on my face when I'm in the shower, and I would use my fingers and I would rub up, because the largest parts of my pores are here. The largest pores that I have on my face fall right here, right in this area. Right, like if I zoom up in there, you'd see you would see the pores are looking very large in this area, and that is where my face gets oily, also on my nose. That's the only difference. The pores felt more large, like they felt more pronounced, and I guess that would make sense because the shampoo deep cleans your scalp, like it opens up the pores and gets in there and takes out all the oil and dirt. So I guess it was the same thing that it was doing to my face. But outside of that, no breakouts. I was wearing makeup every day, been using this to wash my face, and honestly I didn't see any difference. Maybe long term it would have affected my face, but I don't see how, because let's say you wash your hair occasionally anyway and you're using shampoo, the shampoo always touches your face, right? So it kind of makes sense for it to be okay for you to wash your face with shampoo, because if you wash your hair, the shampoo touches your face anyway. That's just my analogy. I could be wrong. Worked for me. Did it for 3 weeks. Nothing happened. But I did go back and I got these. Now this, I use I would say 4-step system each day. I do, whether it's day or night, I cleanse. I tone. This is an acne toner. And well, I don't have acne, but right now this is what I'm using. And of course, you use your cotton pads. This is not like the Rihanna toner that you just put on your face without a cotton pad. You have to use like a cotton pad or cotton ball. And this is a toner. This is the moisturizer. I really do miss the 2-in-1 that they had with the SPF and the moisturizer in one. I haven't seen that in a minute. Maybe I would have to like go online to look for that to find it, but it's not a big deal. And of course I put sunscreen on. They say so using sunscreen protects your skin from the sun and you don't get like sunburn and so forth. I find that my skin looks better when I use sunscreen. I did see a video the other day, people are saying that sunscreen is dangerous for you. Listen, we live in a world where everything is dangerous for you. Like, if you watch that movie Dark Waters, it's a movie based off true life events. we're all using dangerous things every day. It's like we cannot avoid it, right? I've been using sunscreen all my life. I notice when I don't use it, my skin looks worse. I've seen it with my eyes. I use it, my skin looks better. So until that changes, I'll be using sunscreen. So that's my 4-step system. And I am going to bring a silk press video out. I figured out how to maintain. Let me take off the hat. This is, I've had this silk press since Monday or thereabout. So I kind of sweat it out making roti, but I wrapped it and it came back okay basically. But now I just need to wash it again because I've been washing my hair like every week. Not going to get into that right now as into why I do that. So I'm not sure what order the silk press video is going to come in, but if you're not subscribed as yet, subscribe to the channel so that when I upload the silk press video you could get the notification. And to do that, to get notified, you'd have to hit the notification bell to get updates as to when I upload new videos. I'll see you in the next one.